Modern fashion poster need to be sleek, bold and trend focused. In this tutorial I will show you how to design a professional modern fashion poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a 300 dpi for sharp print quality. Choose a minimal or gradient background, white, beige or pastel. Import your fashion model product photo in high resolution. Remove background and apply a soft shadow or gradient overlays. Add a bold headlines like modern fashion trend. Use a clean sans serif typography for luxury style. Insert sub-headlines or taglines such as exclusive new arrivals. Place fashion product details or collection name in smaller text. Use geometric shapes, new lines or gradient boxes to highlights. Add a pop of metallic gold silver accents for elegance. Insert brand logo and slogan at the bottom.